Welcome to Sean's One Stop, Pit Stop. Sean's group of companies.
About our company. About us. Welcome to Sean's One Stop, your go-to destination for automotive care. As a proud family-owned and operated business, we have been serving our community with integrity, expertise, and a passion for cars. At Sean's One Stop, we specialize in mechanical services, auto body work, and auto detailing, making us a true one-stop shop for all your vehicle needs.
Location. We are located at 12501 Merrick Boulevard, Jamaica, New York, 11434.
We're here 6 days a week, rain or shine, blazing hot or freezing cold. And yes, even on most holidays.
Our philosophy, customers first. We treat every vehicle as if it were our own, and every customer like family. Transparency and integrity. We believe in clear communication and fair pricing. Quality without compromise. Whether it is a minor tune-up or a major auto body repair, we are committed to delivering the highest level of workmanship.
Oil change. What does oil do for your vehicle? Oil lubricates the engine, reduces friction, and helps prevent overheating. Over time, oil degrades and becomes contaminated, reducing its effectiveness. What happens if I don't change my oil? Sludge buildup, which can clog the engine and reduce efficiency. Increased wear and tear, potentially leading to costly repairs or even engine failure. What are the different kinds of oil? Semi-synthetic oil, also known as synthetic blend oil, is a combination of conventional mineral oil and synthetic oil. Synthetic oil offers superior protection. It is created through a more advanced chemical process, tailored for specific properties. Which oil is best for my vehicle? Many newer vehicles are designed to use synthetic oil because it offers the best protection and meets modern engine requirements. Decide whether you want better engine protection, synthetic or semi-synthetic oil.
How often should I change my oil? Typically, you should change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, but always follow the manufacturer's guidelines. You always want to ensure your vehicle is safe on the road, and that's what we're here for.
Rotors. What are rotors? Rotors are crucial components of your vehicle's braking system. They work in tandem with brake pads to stop the car.
Why are rotors important? Worn rotors can compromise braking efficiency, leading to longer stopping distances and an increased risk of accidents.
How do I know my rotors need to be changed? Vibrations or pulsing when braking, a squealing noise, or visible grooves on the rotor surface. Be mindful, these issues are not always present.
How often should I change my rotors? Rotors should be inspected regularly and replaced as needed. You always want to ensure your vehicle is safe on the road, and that's what we're here for. Brakes.
Why are brakes important? Brakes are the most critical safety feature in your vehicle, ensuring you can stop quickly and safely.
How do I know when my brakes need to be changed? Squeaking or grinding noises, reduced responsiveness, or a spongy brake pedal. Be mindful, these issues are not always present. How do I know when my brakes need to be changed? Reduced stopping power can lead to accidents. Worn brakes can also damage rotors, leading to more expensive repairs.
How often should I change my brakes? Driving habits can affect how often brake pads typically need replacing. You always want to ensure your vehicle is safe on the road, and that's what we're here for.
Cabin air filter. Why is cabin air filter important? It is a type of air filtration device that uses activated carbon, or charcoal, to remove impurities from the air, removes harmful pollutants, improves respiratory health, eliminates odors, protects HVAC systems. How often should I change my cabin air filter? If you have pets, live in an area with high pollution, along with other contributing factors, you may need to replace the filter frequently.
Engine air filter.
Why is engine air filter important? An engine air filter is a component in a vehicle that filters the air entering the engine. It traps dirt, dust, debris, and other contaminants to ensure that clean air mixes with the fuel during combustion.
How often should I change my engine air filter? This can vary based on your driving conditions. If you frequently drive in dusty or polluted environments, you might need to change it more often.
Engine oil flush. What is an engine oil flush? An engine oil flush is a maintenance procedure in which a special chemical additive is used to clean the inside of an engine before the oil is changed. Why is an engine oil flush important? It helps break down sludge, deposits, and contaminants that may have accumulated over time. It removes deposits, improves oil flow, extends engine life, improves efficiency, and prevents clogs.
Coolant flush. Why is coolant flush important? It prevents overheating by ensuring the coolant can effectively transfer heat, removes contaminants like debris and rust that can hinder flow, and protects engine components from corrosion.
Wiper blades. Why is transmission oil flush important? It prevents wear and tear. A flush removes harmful contaminants and helps reduce wear on the transmission. What is a transmission oil flush? It's a maintenance procedure in which all of the old transmission fluid is removed from a vehicle's transmission system and replaced with new, clean fluid.
Wheel alignment. Why is wheel alignment important? This ensures that your vehicle's wheels are positioned correctly relative to each other and the road.
Why is wheel alignment important? Misalignment can cause your vehicle to pull to one side, increasing the risk of accidents and making driving more difficult. How do I know when to get a wheel alignment? Uneven tire wear. Your vehicle pulls to one side while driving straight, or your steering wheel is off-center. Vibrations in the steering wheel, or if you've recently installed new tires.
Maintenance. Why is vehicle maintenance important? Regular maintenance helps ensure safety by keeping critical systems, like brakes and tires, in good working order.
Why is vehicle maintenance important? Overall, regular maintenance is key to a safe, efficient, and long-lasting vehicle. Extends the lifespan of your vehicle, preserving its value over time.
BG Engine Performance Service. Step 1 is the BG EPR, Engine Performance Restoration. What it does: removes sludge, restores performance, protects your engine. How it helps? Over time, oil breaks down and leaves harmful deposits inside the engine. BG EPR safely removes that buildup before new oil is added.
Can you spot a well-maintained engine?
Step 2. BG-MOA, Motor Oil Additive. What it does: reduces engine wear, improves oil performance, protects during extreme temperatures. How it helps? Modern engines run hotter and harder. MOA adds extra protection beyond standard oil.
Step 3. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. What it does: cleans fuel injectors, removes carbon from combustion chamber, cleans intake valves. How it helps? Restores lost MPG, reduces hesitation and rough idle, lowers emissions. Step 4. Air Induction Cleaning Service, 44K Plus, Air Intake, and Valve Cleaner. What is air induction cleaning? Cleans air intake system, removes carbon from throttle body, cleans intake valves, improves airflow. Carbon buildup restricts airflow and reduces engine performance. Universal Cooling System Cleaner. What it does: removes deposits, restores cooling efficiency, restores proper coolant circulation. Why it's needed: rust and corrosion build up over time. Old coolant becomes acidic. Scale forms inside radiator and heater core.